Hi everyone, a very warm welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you this simple yet delicious goat meat and tilapia light soup. It's so easy to make and it's absolutely delicious as well. So if you want to know how this was made, then do stick with me. Thank you. So my pot is already on fire. I'll start by adding some fresh goat meat, beef, and then charcoal grilled goat meat from Ghana, which is already washed and cleaned. I'll add some diced onion, and afterwards I'll add some ginger, garlic, and pepper mix, followed by some salt and onga shrimp seasoning. Now add some goat meat seasoning as well. At this point, you can add your preferred seasoning, that's okay. All ingredients used will be listed in the description box, so do check. So I'll cover and let it steam for 15 minutes, after which I'll add some pepper and then garden eggs. I mostly prefer turkey berries, that's going to serve, but I wasn't having some at home. So I'll cover and let it boil for extra 30 minutes, and that's my tilapia over there, which is already cleaned and seasoned. I'll add some pepper and then ginger garlic mix, and then I'll add some fish seasoning and other natural seasoning as well. I'll gently massage it, and then you need to make sure your fish is properly seasoned. So as you can see, I'm applying the seasoning everywhere. When I'm done, I'll let it sit until I'm ready to use it. So it's been 30 minutes, and then our pepper and garden eggs is also cooked, so I'll remove it and then I'll blend it later. As you can see, our meat is also properly cooked. Sahuchi ya release flavor na ma enquire no ayebe. So I'll add some tomato paste and then cover. I'm using two of it, and I'll cover it and then go and blend the garden eggs and the pepper. So if you've watched this far, thank you so much. I truly appreciate. So when I'm done blending, I'll transfer it into the pot. And as you can see, I'm using a strainer because I don't want any chaffs in the soup. So I'll add some water when I'm done. So I'll check the quantity of meat used and I'll add water depending on it. I hope I'm clear. So you don't want to add too much water when the quantity of meat used is small. Yeah. So when I'm done, I'll add some fresh tomatoes and onion, and I'll cover it a little bit. So the soup has been on fire for 20 to 25 minutes, and the onion and tomato are properly cooked. So I'll remove it and then I'll blend it. When I'm done blending, I'll add it back to the soup. And then mostly when I add it back to the soup, I don't use water in rinsing the blender. Instead, I use a little bit of the soup, yeah, to rinse. And it's been 35 minutes now, so I'm adding the tilapia to the soup. And the reason why I'm adding it late, because you know fish is very soft and you don't want your fish to mash in the soup, so it's better to marinate it and then add it to the soup later. So the soup has been on fire for extra 25 minutes, and as oil starts to settle on top, you know you're almost done. Yeah, thank you so much if you've watched this far. I truly appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe. I didn't add extra pepper because it was very hot and they loved it. See you in my next video. Bye.